Hey guys, welcome back to the Madera family. My name's Amelia. My husband's name's Andrew. He is working on pouring some cement pads right now. Our bus right now is taking up about half of our driveway, so we're gonna move it to the side of our property, kind of out of the way. We can still drive past our driveway and not have to worry about hitting the bus. So he's working on that right now. Also bought some tire covers from Amazon. We're gonna put those on. I'll give you guys my review on those. And let me take you out front. Let me show you what he's working on.
Okay, so we've had the bus in our driveway for a while and we just want to move it out of the way so when we're working, we're not throwing screws down in the driveway and possibly running over them with our cars. So right now, Andrew's just mixing up some quick concrete and pouring these pads. We've already measured the width of the tires and also the distance between the tires. So we're making sure that they're nice and smooth and hopefully they don't crack when we pull the bus onto them. We didn't do anything special or build any like box or anything for the concrete to sit in. It's just right in the ground. This is just a temporary solution. And there you have it. We moved the bus to the side of our property and sitting on these cement pads. Hopefully it'll be better for the bus over here. It's also not right in the sun. But anyways, I got some covers for the tires. I'm going to show you guys those right now.
Okay, they're not bad. I mean, for the price, I'll put the link below. They fit well, and I saw a lot of people had trouble finding ones that fit. These fit, and they seem like they're a pretty good quality. Not too bad. We'll see if they work. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next week.